Your chart just tells you price. The GEX Levels Indicator adds context. It's a Chrome extension that overlays your TradingView chart with levels built from live options data. One core idea runs through all of it. These lines mark where large option positions sit, so price often reacts near them. They are context, not buy or sell signals. Start with the three anchor lines: the call wall, the put wall, and the gamma flip. They mark where the largest option positions cluster: above, below, and in the middle. Learn these three, and you've got your frame. The call wall is the strike above price with the most call gamma. Read it as the biggest ceiling overhead, a zone where upside often tends to slow. The put wall is the mirror below, the strike with the most put gamma. Read it as the biggest floor beneath price, a zone where support often tends to appear. Both are areas to watch, never levels that have to hold. The gamma flip is the most important anchor. It's the price where net dealer gamma changes sign, the dividing line between two market moods. When price sits above the flip, we're in positive gamma. Hedging tends to dampen moves, so conditions often feel calmer and more range-bound. When price drops below the flip, we're in negative gamma. Hedging tends to amplify moves, so conditions often feel faster and more volatile. Calm above, choppy below. Around those anchors are softer levels. Focus 1, 2, and 3 are the next strikes that stand out, ranked by a score that blends gamma, open interest, and other factors. Each carries a small tag, telling you why it made the list. When several levels bunch together, the indicator shades that band as an upside or downside cluster, a thicker zone of interest. And the battle zone marks the contested range around the flip, where positioning is mixed and price can get pulled between levels. All of it is context to watch. There's also an optional context panel, a plain English weather report for your chart. A regime badge names the current environment, positive or negative gamma. NetGX sums total dealer gamma into one number. Its sign shows the regime, and its size hints at how strong the effect tends to be. Spot versus flip shows how close price is to the switch. Max Pain marks where the most option premium would expire worthless, and you get implied volatility, days to expiry, an expected move range, and a per-strike histogram, the map behind every number. A few advanced overlays go deeper. Amber charm zones mark where delta drift over time concentrates. They tend to matter most into the close and near expiry. Purple Vanna walls mark where delta reacts to volatility changes, most relevant on big volatility days. And the IV zone is a tight 1 sigma band from at-the-money volatility. When an edge lands on a wall or the flip, it's tagged, aligns, just noting 2 context points stack in one spot. So how do you use all this? Check the regime first. Calm or choppy? That one red frames everything else. Then watch how price behaves as it approaches the walls, since big positions sit there and price often reacts. Finally, use the IV zone for rough range context. Regime, then walls, then range. You're observing what price actually does, not predicting it. Want to actually understand the mechanics behind these levels? That's what the GEX Levels Education Library is for. 19 modules that teach the options and dealer positioning concepts, step by step. Visit gexlevels.com/library to start learning. Everything here is education only. These levels are context, showing where large positions sit. They are not buy or sell signals, not predictions, and nothing is guaranteed.